I had a bag of rolled oats sitting around untouched for weeks, so I decided it was time to try making oatmeal bars, but with my own little tweak. First, I roasted some almonds. The extra crunch they give is worth the few extra minutes. Now, the wet ingredients: milk, 2 eggs, a ripe banana, and vanilla. I blended it all until smooth. Next, I whisked together the dry ingredients: rolled oats, brown sugar, cinnamon, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. That cinnamon smells so good. Once the dry ingredients were ready, I poured the wet mixture in and gave it a good mix. And here's one of my tweaks. I added the raisins to the batter so they could soak up all the moisture and get nice and plump. I let it sit for 20 minutes, allowing all those flavors to blend together. After letting it sit, I fold in the roasted almonds just before spreading the mixture into the baking tray. The crunch will take these bars to another level. Into the oven they go for about 30 to 35 minutes. The smell that filled the kitchen was incredible. But when I pulled them out, let's just say it didn't go as planned. They look great, but the texture, way too soft. More like cake than bars. A little too much moisture, probably thanks to the whole banana I use. But hey, I wasn't giving up that easily. I sliced them up and put them back in the oven to dry them out. Covered them up so they would not burn. And you know what? It worked like a charm.
It's going to the oven for the second time.
After the second bake, the bars came out firmer. They still have that cakey texture, a bit spongy, with a nice bounce when I squeeze them. But definitely less crumbly than before. Chewy, soft, and not too sweet. They store great in the fridge for days. Trust me, they taste even better reheated with a little chocolate on top. So if you've got a bag of rolled oats sitting around, don't hesitate. Give this recipe a try. Even if things don't go perfectly, there's always a way to fix it and make something epic. Watch next Crunchy Mixed Nut Cookies.